Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling a little blah lately, overwhelmed, stressed? You're definitely not alone. But the good news is, happiness isn't some elusive, unattainable dream. It's built on habits, and today, we're diving into the foundational habits that can unlock your happiest self. We're going to explore how science-backed practices can boost your mood, build resilience, and help you navigate the ups and downs of life with a smile. So grab a comfy seat because we're about to embark on a journey to a brighter, happier you. First up, connection. Humans are social creatures. Nurturing strong relationships is crucial for our mental well-being. Think about it. When you feel connected, you feel supported, understood, and less alone. Whether it's chatting with a friend over coffee, joining a book club, or volunteering in your community, make time for meaningful connections. Sharing your feelings and experiences with others can be incredibly cathartic and empowering. Next, let's talk about physical activity. This isn't just about getting a killer physique, it's about boosting your brain power and your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. And that's not all. Strength training, for example, can boost dopamine levels, another powerful mood enhancer. Whether it's running, cycling, dancing, or even just a brisk walk in the park, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your mental state. Now, let's not underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Think of sleep as hitting the reset button for your brain and body. When you're sleep deprived, your mood suffers, your cognitive function declines, and you're more susceptible to stress. Prioritize sleep, create a relaxing bedtime routine, ditch the screens before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Your mental health will thank you for it. Time for eating well. What you put into your body directly impacts your mood and energy levels. A nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides the essential nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can lead to mood swings and energy crashes. So fuel your body with goodness and watch your mood soar. Let's talk about mindfulness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and feel overwhelmed. Practicing mindfulness, whether through meditation or simply paying attention to the present moment, can help you calm your mind, reduce stress, and gain a greater sense of inner peace. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a world of difference. Okay, now that we've covered the foundational habits, let's explore some activities and mindsets that can bring even more joy into your life. Helping others. Volunteering or performing small acts of kindness isn't just good for the recipient, it's also incredibly beneficial for your own mental well-being. Giving back builds purpose, boosts confidence, and creates a sense of connection. Whether it's volunteering at a local charity, donating to a cause you care about, or simply offering a helping hand to a neighbor, find ways to contribute and experience